Hello, everyone. I'm Bobby Delmo, and I'm part of the LaunchLogic team. And I'm very happy to be bringing you this video today, where I will be going over one of our resources, which is Vapi AI. This is one of our artificial intelligence tools that we will be using when consulting businesses. So to show you how this tool works, I'm going to be sharing my screen and going over the interface. So Vapi AI um, is an artificial intelligence platform where you can create phone numbers, and when called, these phone numbers will have an AI answer and essentially answer questions and help the customer on the other end. And this is really helpful for small businesses like yourself who don't really have maybe the capital up front to be hiring someone to be answering customer service calls, or it's a lot if you're a one person team where you have to be managing the business and then also answering calls. So by having this AI tool at hand, it's a lot easier on the business to have an AI answer the phone. So I'm just going to be showing you how this AI tool works. You can see here I have some phone numbers already generated, but I'm just going to click the create phone number, and it says free Vapi AI phone number, and you could type in an area code. You're going to want an area code that's going to be similar to the location of your business. I'm just going to do 973. That's an area code for my hometown. And I'm going to click create. And as you see right here, Vapi created this phone number. It created 973-201-6609, and it's going to be activated in a minute and 50 seconds. But I'm just going to be going over Vapi right now for you guys. So if you go in the overview, this is going to be your dashboard, and you guys as a business will have your own dashboard. And as you see here, it says the number of calls, the duration of the calls, how much it costed you, average cost, the success of your calls. And now here you have assistants, tools, phone numbers, voice libraries, API keys, squads, and more. We just went over the phone numbers, and as you see, it's still activating. But now I'm going to be showing you guys assistants. So assistant is going to be the AI that actually answers the call. So I'm going to do create assistant. We're going to do a lead qualification specialist, and I'm going to create this assistant. So we're gonna do OpenAI, we're gonna do ChatGPT 4.10 mini, and we're gonna just scroll down, make the temperature 0.2, and you see how it already has this prompt here. I'm just gonna delete this prompt, and I'm gonna say hello. We're gonna keep this Morgan from, we're gonna do launch LaunchLogic, which is um so this is just a quick message that the assistant will say. So it's going to say, hello, this is Morgan from LaunchLogic. We help businesses get started. How can I help you today? And then in the prompt, I could just put something like, um, answer as if you work, sorry, work for LaunchLogic, company helps small and big businesses. Obviously, you guys were going to want to have a more detailed, you guys are going to want to have a more detailed um description, but this is just for um demonstration. So I'm going to add Morgan to the phone number, and then I'm going to click save. And now I'm going to just dial this phone number on my phone right now so I could show you guys what it's going to sound like when we call this phone number. So I'm going to dial 973-201-6609.
Hello, this is Morgan from LaunchLogic. We help businesses get started. How can I help you today?
Hi, I was just wondering a little bit more about your company.
Hi, thanks for reaching out. At LaunchLogic, we specialize in helping small and new businesses get off the ground smoothly. Whether you need assistance.
Okay, so as you can see that this tool is actually very helpful and it answers the phone as if it's like a person actually calling. And I'm sorry, my phone was just ringing. But yeah, this is Vapi AI, and if you join the LaunchLogic team, you will now have access to this, and we will help this as one of your tools of getting started. Thank you.